Wow, these headphones look amazing.
Wow, those headphones look awesome.
They're my new headphones. I really like them. I use these every day. They work really well.
They look fantastic. I wish I had a pair.
Try them. The sound is really clear.
They sound amazing. I love them.
I can't stop thinking about them. They were really nice.
Dad, can I ask you something?
Of course. What is it?
I really like these. Could I have them someday?
They do look nice. Let's talk about them. Some things take time. We save before we buy.
I understand. I'll think about it. Pay later? That sounds easy. I really like these. I wish I could have them. Maybe it will be okay. It worked! My headphones are coming.
Good night, Jaff. Sleep well.
Good night, Dad. See you tomorrow. I hope it comes today. I can't wait! Someone's here. I'll check.
All right, please be careful. Good morning. This package is for your home.
Thank you. I'll take it.
I'll put this in my room. No one will notice.
I've wanted these for so long. They really look incredible. I hope Dad likes them too. I can't wait to try them.
Those look really cool. Where did you get them?
I'll tell you later. Please don't tell anyone yet.
Those are new. I haven't seen them before. Yes, I wanted to show you.
Dad, I made this decision without asking you. I know that wasn't right.
Thank you for telling me. Being honest is always the first step. Good things take patience. When we save first, we enjoy them with confidence.
I understand now. I want to do it the right way.
Every family makes mistakes sometimes. What matters is learning together. When we choose honesty and patience, we become stronger every single day.
Have you ever made a mistake? What did you learn from it? Dad, look at that giant Ferris wheel! I really want to ride it today. Dad, those burgers look amazing. Can I have one, please?
Of course! But don't eat too much. Huss, one burger is enough. Save room for the Ferris wheel.
I'm still hungry. I want one more.
Huss, that's enough soda. We still have a long day.
Just one more. I feel perfectly fine. I can't wait to ride it. It looks so amazing.
Our turn is almost here. Just a few more minutes.
Dad, I think I ate too much.
That's all right. Let's rest for a minute.
I'm sorry, Dad. I don't feel well.
It's okay. We'll be right back.
We missed our turn.
I should have listened. There will be another chance. Let's learn from today. Take a few deep breaths. There's no need to hurry.
I already feel better. Thank you, Dad.
Fun is better when we make smart choices. Our bodies need balance.
I understand now. I'll remember that. I'm ready now. I made a better choice.
That's wonderful. Let's enjoy the ride.
This was worth waiting for. I'm so happy now.
Sometimes patience brings the best moments. I'm proud of you. Today was a wonderful family day. We learned something important.
I'll remember it. Thank you, Dad. What would you choose at the fun fair? Tell us in the comments.
See you next time. Goodbye.
Wow, so many blocks. I want to build the tallest tower ever. Can I help you? Not yet. I want to build it by myself. Higher. Higher. Higher!
I can hold the bottom.
No, I can do it. Oh no! The tower fell. Are you okay?
Do you know why the tower fell?
I wanted to build it alone.
Let's think about it together. A strong bridge needs support. A strong family helps each other.
So,
I need help sometimes.
And I am always ready to help.
we did it! Our tower is strong. It is so tall.
Wonderful teamwork.
Thank you, Jaff. We are a team. Best team!
I'm proud of you.
When we help each other, we become stronger.
I learned something today.
So did I.
Let's build together again.
Huss, what made the tower stronger?
Jaff helped me.
Exactly. Helping each other makes us stronger.
I'm proud of both of you.
Thank you.
We built it together.
And that is the best way to build anything.
Together.
Look at our tower. It's strong because everyone helped.
I couldn't do it alone.
We built it together.
We are one team.
And that makes me very happy.
I'm proud of all of you.
We finished together. I love teamwork.
That made everything easier. Let's enjoy our juice together.
Building together, cleaning together.
That's teamwork.
It's faster together.
And more fun.
We did everything together.
A new challenge.
What is it?
Can we do it together?
I can't wait!
I think everyone will love it.
Our next family project.
What is on the paper? Can we see it?
I'm so excited. Let's wait for Dad.
This is our next challenge.
It's even bigger.
We'll need everyone.
I want to build the flags.
I know you can do it.
Every great project starts with a good plan.
I want to build the middle. I'll make the base strong.
I'll decorate the top.
Everyone has an important job.
I'll build the middle. I'll build the strongest base.
I'll make beautiful flags.
Perfect teamwork.
The middle should be very strong.
The base must be bigger.
And colorful flags on top.
Excellent ideas.
Let's use all of them.
Are we ready?
I'm ready.
Let's build!
This will be amazing.
Every big dream begins with one small step.
This is our first block, and we'll keep building.
Together.
Let's make it unforgettable. A strong tower needs a strong foundation.
I'll make the base wider. I'll build the middle. My flags are ready.
Wonderful teamwork.
Excellent. This foundation is very strong.
I made it wide. Now we can build higher. Our big tower is starting.
Step by step,
The middle is getting higher.
slow and steady.
The base is holding perfectly.
Keep going. It's getting bigger.
Something doesn't look right. That block is a little crooked.
Good builders always check their work.
Let's fix it.
This is the final block.
I'll place it carefully. I'm holding it nice and slow. Then it's my turn. Daddy, who built these giant pyramids? And how did they move such huge stones? Was it aliens?
Let's discover the truth together. The Great Pyramid has amazed people for more than 4,500 years. This is the Great Pyramid of Giza. It is about 4,500 years old,
It is older than Grandpa?
much older. Soon, you will see something even more surprising. When it was finished, the Great Pyramid was about 146 meters tall.
That is much taller than
Yes, it was the tallest building on 100 years.
Nobody built any time?
Wow.
Many of these stones weighed as much as an elephant.
Then, how did people lift them?
That question still surprises many scientists. Scientists discovered something amazing.
Ah,
Wet sand made heavy stones much easier to pull. So,
water helped them?
exactly.
Today, the pyramid looks dusty, but long ago, it was covered with smooth white limestone.
It looks like a giant diamond.
People could see it shining from many kilometers away.
I never knew that.
The pyramid is not solid. It has chambers and long hidden passages inside.
Did the king live there?
No.
Daddy, I'm sleepy. My brain learned a lot today.
Then today was a good day.
My brain is full.
Mine too.
Of course, every great question deserves its own day.
Time for sleep now.
Tomorrow, can we learn about space?
Tomorrow we'll discover something even bigger.
Good night, Daddy.
Good night. Dream big and never stop asking questions.
Good night, boys.
Good night, Mom.
Good night. I can't wait to learn something new tomorrow.
Sleep well. Tomorrow is another adventure.